I'm going to show you a real quick tutorial on how to get an outer tie rod off on a 2009 Toyota Venza. You're going to need the 22mm wrench for that lock nut, and you want to go this way with it. That'll loosen it. Then you want to get your cotter pin off. I've already got this busted loose. Your castle nut is on the bottom of that. So take your cotter pin out, 17mm. If you got an impact, best thing to use. Drop that thing off. Take a sledgehammer, smack that ear. It's going to take a few whacks. It'll come off. Save yourself some money. Don't go to AutoZone and rent one of those kits or go buy one. Sledgehammer does the job. Just need a BFH. Once that's out, pull that on out of there. Then count how many times you turn this, because that's how many times you're going to have to turn it to put the new one on. Put it all back into place. Put your castle nut on. Use your impact. Get that thing tight. Slide your cotter pin in. Tighten this down. Throw your wheel back on. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments section. Thank you.